Feeling bloated? Tired? Sluggish? What if your body is begging for a reset? You don't need expensive detox kits or harsh cleanses. The truth is, your body can detox itself if you support it the right way. Stick around, because in the next 10 minutes, you'll learn a natural daily detox routine that actually works. Studio microphone every day. Start with a glass of warm water and fresh lemon juice. It hydrates your body after a long night and stimulates your liver to start the detox process. Bar chart fact: lemon water aids digestion and provides vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver function. Memo tip: add a pinch of Himalayan salt for trace minerals and better hydration. Studio microphone: swap that sugary latte with a detoxifying tea, like dandelion root, ginger, or milk thistle. These ancient herbs cleanse the liver, reduce inflammation, and support digestion. Bar chart study: according to the Journal of Alternative Medicine, dandelion supports liver detox enzymes. Memo tip: brew your tea fresh and sip it throughout the morning. Studio microphone: fiber acts like a broom for your gut, sweeping away toxins and waste. Start your day with chia pudding, oats, or a green smoothie packed with spinach, flax seeds, and banana. Bar chart fact: most Americans get only 15 g of fiber daily. The recommended is 25-30 g. Memo tip: add a scoop of psyllium husk for an extra fiber boost. Studio microphone: sweating is one of the best ways to detox. Morning movement like walking, yoga, or stretching stimulates your lymphatic system and helps flush toxins through sweat. Bar chart fact: your skin is the body's largest detox organ. Memo tip: try 15 minutes of gentle yoga or brisk walking after breakfast. Studio microphone: focus on real, whole foods, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and kale. These boost your body's natural glutathione levels, a master detox antioxidant. Bar chart research: a 2015 NIH study found cruciferous veggies activate phase 2 detox enzymes in the liver. Memo tip: include garlic, beets, and turmeric too, natural anti-inflammatory detoxifiers. Studio microphone: water helps flush toxins through your kidneys and skin. Aim for 8 to 10 cups daily, but sip steadily, not all at once. Bar chart fact: dehydration slows your body's natural detox function and can cause headaches and fatigue. Memo tip: add cucumber, mint, or lemon slices to your water for extra cleansing power. Studio microphone: your body can only detox so much, so don't overload it. Avoid processed foods, sugar, alcohol, and unnecessary medications when possible. Bar chart fact: according to CDC, over 60% of Americans consume ultra-processed foods daily. Memo tip: read labels. Watch out for additives like MSG, food dyes, and high fructose corn syrup. Person in lotus position 8. Deep breathing or meditation. Pushpin time, 6:21 to 7 o'clock. Studio microphone: detox isn't just physical, it's emotional too. Stress creates cortisol, which suppresses your body's ability to heal and detox. Bar chart study: a Harvard study found that deep breathing reduced cortisol by 20% in just 10 minutes. Memo tip: practice 4-7-8 breathing before bed or during breaks. Studio microphone: Epsom salt baths are a relaxing way to pull toxins through your skin. They also replenish magnesium, crucial for energy and muscle health. Bar chart fact: 70% of Americans are magnesium deficient. Memo tip: add a few drops of lavender or eucalyptus essential oil for added relaxation. Studio microphone: your brain's glymphatic system activates during deep sleep, flushing waste and toxins. Poor sleep equals poor detox. Bar chart fact: 1 in 3 adults in the U.S. don't get enough sleep. Memo tip: turn off screens an hour before bed and aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Studio microphone: detox isn't about starving yourself or doing juice cleanses. It's about supporting your body every day. Move more. Eat real food. Breathe. Rest. And drink that water. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Your body's smarter than any product. Trust it and support it. Studio microphone: stay healthy. Stay natural. See you in the next one.